Alright guys, so on this new Chevy, when the headlights are on and you put the camera in reverse, it's getting all kinds of distortion. But then once we turn the headlights off, that little bit of distortion goes away. Turn the headlights back on, it turns back on. So on this vehicle, when the full headlights are on, that strip turns on. On the model that I have, those strips, that strip by itself turns on when the car's in drive. On this one, the actual headlights turn on. You see that distortion from that? Let's see if by adding an LED decoder to this vehicle, if it gets rid of that issue on this model. We got rid of the line. Before I turn on the vehicle, I'm gonna put the intake and stuff back together, and let's see if this works. So this is our $60 CSP kit and LED decoder. So we're trying to see if this works, and I'm trying to see if this will tuck into where we can still fit the dust cap. So yeah, with this kit, it looks like the LED decoder does clear. Alright guys, so the hood's still open, but everything's put back together. Intake is back on. So now, as you can see, you don't have that distortion light on no more. And the car's in reverse, so it's in gear. So the lights are on actually automatic with auto. They're not on manually. So if you guys have that little distortion line coming up on your guys' screen for the new 15 to 18 Tahoes, this is how you get rid of that. I'll put the link in the description below. We're also installing some aftermarket fog lights right now. That's why we got a bunch of stuff on the floor, because this model didn't come with any fog lights. But you could see the distortion lines from the lights are also gone. On the video that I posted for my truck, it's a step-by-step how to take out the intake and everything. If you guys don't know how to do that, I'll put the link to that video also. On my model, it doesn't do this with the $90 kit. I'm not sure if this is happening on anybody else's kits with this model. The models that don't come with fog lights, but if it is, that's how you get rid of it. I'm not sure if the LED decoder will still fit and be able to put on the cap with the $90 kit that we sell with the 2-year warranty. If not, I'll also put the description for the $60 CSP kit that we sell for this vehicle. And this new CSP has an adjustable base, so once you lock the bulb in there, you could actually twist it to get the best light output for projector headlights. So hopefully this video helps you guys out if you're having the same issue with this Tahoe.